Good evening, everybody. So today we continued part 2 algebra. So first question today, our first question is, for any two elements, A comma B in a group, for any two elements A comma B in a group G, prove that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So our solution or our answer, given that A comma B is belongs to G. Why? Because A comma B are two elements in given group. So A comma B is belongs to G. In that time, A inverse is belongs to G, as the same B inverse also belongs to G. Why? Because whenever A comma B is belongs to G, inverse also belongs to G. A inverse and B inverse. At the time, consider AB into B inverse into A inverse. AB into B inverse into A inverse. In that time, A into, you can write B inverse into A inverse. This one. So A into B inverse into A inverse. This is called because of associativity in G, in capital G. So in that time, A into B inverse is E into A inverse. Here B inverse is equal to E because of B inverse is equal to E. So now here A inverse value, A inverse. So because of A is equal to A is equal to A. So A inverse is equal to E. So here AB into B inverse A inverse is equal to, our value is E. Let equation number 1. Consider B inverse A inverse into AB. Multiplication with right side. Here first we have to take left side, and here right side, multiplication with the right side. So here B inverse A inverse into A into B. Here associativity law. Because of associativity law, B inverse A inverse A is equal to E. Because of A inverse A is equal to E. So B inverse E into B. So E into B is equal to B. Because of. So here B inverse into B. Again B inverse B is equal to E. Second equation. From 1 and 2, AB into B inverse A inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse into AB. That is equal to, our answer is E. So inverse of AB is B inverse A inverse. So that means, therefore, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse for all A comma B belongs to G. So here AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse for all A comma B belongs to G. That is our theorem. So next problem. Prove that. Second question. Prove that if capital G is a group with the property that square of every element is the identity. Square of every element is the identity. then G is abelian. So here prove that if G is a group with the property that square of every element is the identity, then G is abelian. So every square of every element is the identity. So our given condition, so solution, let A is belongs to G and the square of every element, the square of every element is identity. So that means A square is equal to E. A square is equal to E. That means A into A is equal to E. So that means A inverse is equal to E. This A goes that side, E by A goes upside, A inverse. So A inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Similarly, let B belongs to G, in that time B square is equal to E. In that time B square is equal to E. At the same B into B is equal to E. B inverse is equal to B. For all B belongs to G. So here A inverse is equal to A, here B inverse is equal to B. So consider AB is equal to AB whole inverse, that is equal to B inverse A inverse. AB is equal to AB whole inverse, that is equal to B inverse A inverse. In that time for all A comma B is belongs to G. In that time AB is equal to BA. Here B inverse plus B and A inverse plus A. So AB is equal to BA. So whenever AB is equal to BA, in that time commutative property is satisfied. So therefore G is an abelian. G is an abelian. Okay. Next problem. Next, third theorem. Let small a, small b and small c be the elements of a group, capital G. Solve the equations. First one is A into B is AXB is equal to C for X. Second one, A inverse XA is equal to C. This one also for X. So here we are solving X value. So given that our solution, A comma B and C is belongs to G. Why? Because elements are belongs to G. So in that time A inverse comma B inverse and C inverse also belongs to G. Whenever A comma B comma C is belongs to G, in that time A inverse, B inverse and C inverse also belongs to G. In that time A inverse into A is equal to E, and the same is equal to B inverse B is equal to C inverse C. Both are equal to E. A inverse A is equal to E, B inverse B is equal to E, C inverse C is equal to E. Here, because of E is the identity. In that time, first one, our question, AXB is equal to C. So, A inverse into AXB into B inverse. We multiply A inverse and B inverse is equal to A inverse C and B inverse, right side value. Left side value AXB we can multiply with A inverse into B inverse. At the same right side also we can multiply A inverse B inverse. So here A inverse A X B inverse is equal to A inverse C B inverse. So in that time A inverse A is equal to E into X into B inverse is E, that is equal to A inverse C B inverse. E into something, something. So x is equal A inverse C, B inverse. This one is first one. And next is second one. Second question. Given second question is A inverse XA is equal to C. A inverse XA is equal to C. Here also same. A into A inverse XA into A inverse is equal to AC A inverse. AC A inverse. So A inverse X A inverse is equal to AC A inverse. Here A inverse value E into X into A inverse value E is equal to AC A inverse. Here E into something, X is equal to AC A inverse. This is the second. So therefore solutions are first one X is equal to A inverse C B inverse and X is equal to AC A inverse. These are the solutions of X. And next problem, fourth problem. Let small a be an element of order small n in a group, and suppose that D is a positive divisor of small n. Prove that a power of D, order of a power of D is equal to n by D. Order of a power of D is equal to n by D. This is the question. So solution. Let G be the given group. So in that time A belongs to G. Order of A is n. That means A power of n is equal to E, or mod A is equal to n. So small d is a positive divisor given condition. Small d is positive integer of small n. So n by d is an integer. Whenever d is a positive divisor of n, in that time n by d is an integer. So consider mod a is equal to n. So a power of n is equal to E. So we have to take here a power of D whole power of n by d. So here d cancel, we get same value, that is equal to E. So here a power of d whole power of n by d is equal to E. In that time a power of d in mod. So this n by d goes right side. So n by d. So order of a power of d is equal to n by d. So this is our proof. Next problem. Which problem? Fifth problem. Next, fifth problem. Fifth question. Show that every group G with identity E such that x star x is equal to E for all small x in G is abelian. So we have to prove here G is an abelian group. So x star x is E. Given condition is x star x is equal to E. So here our solution. Given that G is a group, x star x is equal to E for all small x belongs to capital G. So let small a comma small b belongs to G. In that time a star a is equal to E and b star b is equal to E. Why? Because x star x is equal to E for all x belongs to G. In that time, as the same method, A comma B is belongs to G, A star A is equal to E and B star B is equal to E. A star A is equal to E and B star B is equal to E. In that time, A is equal to A inverse. A is equal to, A goes that side, A inverse. As the same, B is equal to B inverse. A is equal to A inverse, B is equal to A inverse. Since A comma B is belongs to G, at the same time A star B is belongs to G. A star B is belongs to G. So A star B star A star B. Why? Because A star B is our element. So X star X is equal to E. So A star B star A star B is equal to, our answer is E. So here A star B is equal to, this one goes that side, A star B inverse. A star B inverse. So here E is identity B inverse star A inverse. Why? Because AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So B inverse star A inverse. So already we find the B inverse value is B star, A inverse value is A. So A star B is equal to B star A. Here satisfies commutative law. Here satisfied commutative law. Commutative law. Then A star B is equal to B star A for all A comma B is belongs to G. So therefore G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. Whenever given group is satisfies commutative law, in that time the group is an abelian group. Okay. Next problem. If capital R be the set of all real numbers except 0, define star on real number by A star B is equal to, our condition is mod A into B. Mod A into B is R comma star pair of a group. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Given condition is A star B is equal to mod A into B. Mod A into B. Sixth question, this one. So sixth answer. Given that solution, given that A star B is equal to mod A into B for all A comma B is belongs to capital R real number. So where R is real number, where R is set of all real numbers except 0, given condition. So first property, closure property. For A comma B is belongs to capital R. So in that time A star B is equal to mod A into B belongs to R. This is the closure property. And second one, associativity. For A comma B comma C belongs to R. A comma B comma C belongs to R. In that time A star B star C. First one we have to take left side value. A star B star C. In that mean A star B value is mod A mod B. Mod A mod B star C. Again this is like that, A star B. So mod A mod B into C. That is equal to mod of AB into C. This is equation number 1. Next, right side value. A star of B star C. A star of B star C. That means A star B star C formula is, B star C formula is mod B into C. Mod B into C. Again this one is A star B, like that. So mod A mod A into B. B value is mod B into C. That means mod of AB into C. This is second equation. So 1 or 2 both are same. So associative property is satisfied. So next third one, identity. Identity property. For small a belongs to capital R. A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A. A star E, like that A star B is equal to mod A into B. So here mod A into E is equal to A. Is the identity. Next inverse. So here identity value A cancel, E is equal to 1. So where E is equal to 1, that identity value is satisfied. So here whenever we can take here mod A value plus A is equal to A cancel, E is equal to 1 in that time. Whenever mod A is minus A into E is equal to A cancel, E is equal to minus 1. So one value is E is equal to 1 value is E is equal to minus 1. So one is E value 1, another one is minus 1. So identity elements always has unique value in a group, but here it is different. One is plus 1, one is minus 1. So this one is R comma star is not a group, because identity element E always has unique value. Okay, so that's why R comma star is not a group. Next question, that one is not a group. Next question, seventh question, I think. Yeah, right. Seventh question. If star is defined as, star means binary operation. If star means binary operation defined on Q plus by A star B is equal to AB by 2, given condition. A star B is equal to AB by 2. Then show that Q plus comma star binary operation is a group. So our solution. Given that Q plus such that A star B is equal to AB by 2, given condition. A star B is equal to AB by 2. That is in the pair of Q plus comma star. That is the condition. So here A comma B is belongs to Q plus. A comma B is belongs to Q plus. Now here Q is the set of positive rational number. Q is set of positive rational number. Why? Because Q plus. So closure property, we have to check here closure property. For A comma B is belongs to Q plus. That means AB by 2 is belongs to Q plus. Given condition, that means A star B is equal to AB by 2 is belongs to Q plus. Closure property is satisfied. So given as it is question, closure property means A comma B is belongs to Q plus, AB by 2 also belongs to Q plus. That time A star B is equal to AB by 2 is belongs to Q plus. And second property, associativity. For small a comma small b comma small c is belongs to Q plus. So first one A star B star C. Is equal to A star B value is AB by 2 star C. This A star B value is AB by 2 star C. Once again this is like that A star B. A star B value is AB by 2 AB by 2 into C by 2 into C by 2, that is equal to ABC by 4. ABC by 4. This is first equation. And next, A star of B star C. So A star B star C value is BC by 2. BC by 2. Again A star B method. So A by 2 into BC by 2, that is equal to ABC by 4. This one is second one. ABC by 4, ABC by 4. So therefore A star B star C is equal to A star of B star C. Associativity property is satisfied. Next, third property, identity. Identity. For small a belongs to Q plus. For small a belongs to Q plus. In that time, A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A. So A star E is like that. A star B is equal to AB by 2. That means AE by 2 is equal to A. So AE is equal to cross multiplication 2 into A, 2A. AE value is 2A. So E is 2 belongs to Q plus. Why? Because AA cancel. E is equal to 2 belongs to Q. A star E is equal to A. In that time E is equal to 2. Next, E star A. E star A value EA by 2. EA by 2. That means E value is 2. 2A by 2. 2 to cancel. That is equal to A. So when A star E is equal to E, A star E is equal to A. So here E star A is equal to also A. Both are same. So A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. So therefore here Q plus comma star is a group. Is a group. 3 properties are satisfied. So in that time given Q plus star is a group. So whenever two conditions, 2 or more than properties is satisfied, in that time given group is group. So given binary operation is group. Given binary operation is group. So in this groups problems, these all are groups problems. Now we discussing subgroups problems. Subgroups. So same method, you have to do one more problem. Just you check same method, closure, associativity, identity. If you possible, inverse also. You can check inverse also. Okay. If you can possible, inverse also. So question, A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Same method. A star B is equal to AB by 2. By using this one. In place of AB by 2, you can substitute A plus B plus AB. You can do same method. You check closure property, associativity property and identity property also. If you can possible, inverse also. Okay. You can check that all properties in that time given binary operation is group or not a group. Group or a not a group. You can check that. Now we are discussing subgroups. So subgroups topic.